Booking.com's visibility booster. I mean, do you know even what that is? Most people don't, and most people just quickly jump to these offers and whack 20-30% discounts, and on top of the 15% commission that Booking.com are charging, you're ending up paying 30-35% commission to get your places full. For me, that is just giving money away. One of my strengths is 100% that when I want to understand something, I go fully into it. I deep dive into it. I understand how everything works. And this is exactly what I did with Booking.com. I launched my first property. So I went digging deep. I wanted to understand how the algorithms worked. I wanted to understand how the pricing system worked. And I wanted to understand exactly how these different visibility boosters and all the different other options that they provide for you in the Opportunity Center to get more and more bookings. I tried them, I tested them, and I tracked the results to see what the profit was by, increasing things or decreasing things. And ultimately, I figured out that the offers are a total waste of time, and that's just like blowing profit. It's exactly the same as boosting a post on Facebook with Facebook ads. It doesn't actually do much for you. It gives you a bit of vanity. You think you're getting some bookings, but when you actually look at the financials on it, you're actually blowing money. But what I did discover was the visibility booster. The visibility booster is a quick way to just get you ahead of the competition. You're giving a tiny bit of percent away. You're not giving huge 10, 15, 20% away. You're just giving a tiny bit extra away, but it's getting you up those listings, and it's getting you that extra visibility that you need to get those extra few bookings, to give you that extra occupancy and keep your profits high. So, I do this time and time again, and then we multiplied it across all of our properties, and bit by bit, a little win on each property turns into quite a lot for each month on our portfolio. I can do exactly the same for you. We're not just a management company here at Luke Homes. Our serviced accommodation management service is also a marketing agency. We know how to market, we know how to work the algorithms, and we know how to get direct bookings, as well as play the OTAs for what they are and use them for what they are to maximize the profit. I'm confident that we could help you on your journey. I'm confident we could take the hassle away from your serviced accommodation portfolio or your property if you've only got one, and I'm confident that we can add value to cover our fee that we would charge for our services. If you're interested, ask at lukehomes.co.uk or drop me a DM and I'll put you in touch with the right person in the office. But I'm confident, I'll say it again, I'm confident that we will blow you away with our services just like we have for many other landlords, and we'll add some profit to your bottom line as well. Take care.